Ather Energy to unveil new generation 450X electric scooter in India. Ather Energy has acquired ARAI certification before set to manufacture its new 450X electric scooter in India. Ather Energy has announced on its Twitter that they are going to unveil its new generation electric scooter 450X on July 19. In this Twitter, Ather also said that the upcoming new electric scooter Generation 3 Ather 450X is better than the older version. But at last, the leaked facelift shows that the new generation Ather 450X will come with a bigger battery pack. The new electric scooter gives you a 146 range on a single charge. Currently, the Ather 450X comes with a 2.9 kW battery pack and its range 116 km on a single charge. This electric scooter is available at price Rs 1.38 lakh ex-showroom price in Delhi. As per report, the upcoming new generation electric scooter may give you 3.66 lithium-ion battery pack with a capacity of 74 ampere. The company said that the new battery setup will power the same three-phase permanent magnet synchronous motor that the present 450X EV sports. Ather Energy has acquired its ARAI certificate before manufacturing the new 450X electric scooter. In this new version of electric scooter will come with 4 riding modes such as Rap mode, Sports mode, Ride mode, Smart Eco mode and Eco mode. This new version of electric scooter is expected to compete with other electric scooters like Ola S1 Pro, TVS, Bajaj, etc. But Ather has not yet shared any information about charging time and how it will to take full charge or if it supports fast charging or not. The older version Ather 450X takes 3.35 hours to charge from 0 to 80%. If you use DC for fast charging, it takes 15 km and only 10 minutes. We can expect the company to offer a better charging facility.